Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present for my topic, which is the Maysir and Gharar in Islamic finance. I will explain what are they and why Islam avoids them. So first of all, my name is Nurul Naimah binti Ilyas and my metric number is 196326. So okay. As we all know, the Quran and the Sunnah are two major sources of Islamic law. Prohibition of riba, ambiguity in contracts, gambling and games of chance, and any transactions that involving illegal things are stated in the Quran and the Sunnah. So the prohibition on transactions that containing horror and malicious elements is very clearly stated in the form of strict prohibition. So as a Muslim, we all are called to possess, use, and produce something that is lawful and good, and to distance ourselves from something that haram and illegal. So, what is Maysir? Okay, Maysir is actually a speculation or any transaction containing elements of gambling. It can also be defined as a monetary profit activity by taking advantage of others. It was started from pre-Islamic times by Arabs who referred to their activities at that time, which is the games of chance. So next is prohibition of Maysir in finance. Okay, why Maysir is prohibited? Okay, this is because it is often used as the grounds of criticism of conventional financial practices such as speculation, conventional insurance, and derivatives. So it also creates wealth from chance instead of productivity activity. Most of it is centered in horse racing. Dice and wagering are widely included in the definition of gambling. From a modern perspective today, gambling consists of lottery, betting, crossword puzzles, card playing, and prize schemes. Okay, in economics context, Maysir is prohibited because the system will be impermissible, in which there is no mutual cooperation and the well-being of one depends on the misery of another, such as openly practiced in gambling, whether conducted in an uncivil manner or such civil manners as speculation or lotteries. So next we move to Gharar. Okay. Gharar is literally means deceit, risk, fraud, uncertainty, or hazard that might lead to destruction or loss. Okay, in Islam itself, it is referred to any transaction of probable objects which existence or description are not certain due to lack of information and knowledge of the ultimate outcome of the contract or the nature and quality of the subject matter of it. So, um, why Islam prohibit gharar in finance? Okay, gharar is prohibited in all business transactions because it will lead to exploitation and injustice in any form to any of the parties of the contract. Okay, clearly in all business transactions must be based on transparency, accuracy, and disclosure of all necessary information so that no one party has advantage over the other party. The rational reasons why Islam prohibits the gharar is because to ensure full consent and satisfaction of the parties in a contract. So the prohibition of horror is important in protecting people against unexpected losses and the possible disagreements regarding rate qualities or incompleteness of information.